Hello everyone, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pure Stoneheart, and sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe my channel and do hit the notification bell so that you will be updated in my video next. Ayan. Thank you so much guys. Actually, another unboxing episode that we are going to do this morning. Ayan. I have it guys. I ordered this one 3 days ago and was delivered for today. And let's see, I'm so excited. From Brands for Less. Once again, I ordered this one. Thank you so much, Brands for Less. Thank you so much. Ayan. I'm so excited what's inside guys because I saw this one online. So I love the color, but I see it like, there we go. Wow, Papa. See, an Adidas shoes. Thank you. Salamat naman at na-deliver siya ng maayos. Ayan, napaka-sealed pa talaga niya guys. Take note. Sealed na sealed yan siya. Ayan, thank you. Oh my God! Look at what I got! See, thank you! Guys, the reason why I thought use this one. See, just imagine how lovely this shoes is. How lovely. Yellow. Let's try to put this one on. Yellow color. Size 9. Size 9, of course. I have a new pair of shoes. Yes, there you go. There you go guys. See? Ang ganda. I love this one. Thank you so much. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe my channel, Pure Stoneheart, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you. God bless everyone.